Hi everyone, welcome back to Fixmaster. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix microphones not working in Windows 10. If you're struggling with your microphone not working properly, don't worry, I've got you covered with some simple steps. Let's get started. First, click on the Start button in the bottom left corner of your screen. Now click on the gear-shaped icon to open the Settings panel. Once the Settings panel opens up, scroll down and click on Privacy. Now, look at the left-hand menu and click on the microphone option. Here, you'll see a setting that says Allow apps to access your microphone. Make sure this option is turned on. If it's turned off, click it to turn it on. Also, scroll down to check the list of apps. Make sure the app you're using, like WhatsApp, has microphone access turned on. If it's off for that app, switch it on. This should fix the issue for most apps. If the first method doesn't work, let's move to the next step. In the search bar, type Control Panel and select it from the search results. Once you're in the Control Panel, click on Hardware and Sound, and then click on the Sound option. In the Sound window, find your microphone in the list. You can identify it by its name. Click on your microphone to select it, then click on Set Default and press OK to save your changes. One last thing to check. Double-click on your microphone in the same sound window. This will open another window. Go to the Levels tab and make sure the volume slider is set to the maximum level. If it's not, slide it all the way up and click OK. And that's it. By following these steps, you will hopefully be able to fix any microphone issues on your Windows 10 PC. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Fixmaster for more helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.